In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a timer to Google Forms quiz. Start by opening your Google form in edit mode. This can be a brand new form or an existing quiz you have already built. Once the form is open, look toward the top of the page for the menu area where you can access more tools. Click the menu icon, then choose the option to get add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can install tools that extend what Google Forms can do. In the Marketplace search bar, type the word highlight. As you type, you will see results appear. Find and select Timer for Google Forms. Click into the add-on so you are on its details page. Then select Timer for Google Forms again if prompted to confirm you are choosing the correct listing. Next, click Install. Google will ask you to approve the installation, and in many cases, you will be asked to sign in to your Google account. Follow the sign-in prompt and continue through the permission screens. Read the permissions carefully so you understand what access the add-on needs in order to work with your form. When you are finished approving, you should see a confirmation message. Click Done to complete the installation. Now return to your form. Open the menu again and click Settings. Inside Settings, you will see where add-ons can appear for configuration. Click Timer for Google Forms to open its options. This is the point where the timer tool connects to your form, so make sure you are working in the correct form before you proceed. After you open the timer add-on, go back to the main form editor and click Questions. This brings you back to the quiz content, where you can continue building or reviewing what students will see. At this stage, the timer add-on is installed and available, and you can adjust its settings as needed from the add-on area. If you are prompted again to sign in with Google or click Continue, complete those prompts so the add-on can finish linking properly. Once you have done that, you are set up with Timer for Google Forms on your quiz. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.